be getting French toast. Tokyo sake sipping in the robe. Yo, Japan, don't my we got toe. Yeah, I got that. Yeah, I got that. Yeah, I got that.
Oh God, that's a bad idea. Woo! Shots. We love it.
I got that thing. I got that thing. Yeah, I got that thing.
Oh, you look so good.
You're crying more than I am.
Oh, that's my bride.
Charlie and Sidney, the day finally came. You know, obviously you two met in school, but there's that one historic day at the laundromat, and the next thing you know, this beautiful blonde is like hitting on you, pretty much. I mean, let's just be honest. Bold move, way to go, girl. And now here we are.
Charlie William Larson. From the moment I met you, I knew there was something special about you. From your kind and gentle spirit to your outgoingness. These past 4 years have been nothing shy of happiness. Even through the ups and downs, we have always persevered. From dodging those slithery snakes to learning how to love one another. There was no one else I would have wanted to share these moments with. You came when I least expected it. Look where we are today. You were everything and more than what I prayed for. You are my protector, my best friend, my soulmate. And I am so ready and excited to take this next step with you and become your wife. Charlie, I love you so, so much, and I cannot wait to see what the future holds.
Sidney Karen Peterson. I often ask the Lord how I got so lucky. With all my heart, I can honestly say that you've been the greatest blessing God has gifted me. Your bubbly personality, fearless attitude, and willingness to serve sets you apart from any other person I have met. That is the reason why I fell in love with you. You love me like no one else can, and truly make me feel on top of the world. We have shared many great memories, laughs, and cries together, and will continue to make many more. You make me feel so giddy and like a kid around you. Still after 4 years of being together. We have something so special that I'm too excited to grow with you in the future. I love you so much, and I can't wait to have you be a part of my life forever.
I do proclaim that they are husband and wife in the sight of God and man. Let all people here and everywhere recognize and respect this holy union now and forever. Amen? Amen. Charlie, this is your moment. You may kiss your bride. Okay, now go crazy. Let's go.
Ain't nobody do it like I do. I'm gonna make some waves and make some moves. So make way, now I'm coming through. Let's go. I'm just on a mission, gonna take it to the top. I don't play no games, I'm a force that can't be stopped. Once I see that green light, I leave them in the dust. How you like this? Oh, yeah, I'm just gonna do, yeah. Oh, what I gotta do, yeah. Oh, I'm just gonna do, yeah. What I gotta do, yeah. How you like this?
Sidney, I just want to say you're beautiful, driven, outgoing, smart, and I couldn't be more happy and excited to add one more to the family in the triple L's. Yep. And for you that don't know the triple L's, that's the large Larson label, and I really couldn't be happy for the both of you guys. Chuck, you're lucky to have found a girl like Sidney, and I'm really excited for what the future holds for both of you.
Charlie, you're everything that I've prayed for. and thought of when I imagined Sidney's husband. You put up with her, you calm her down, you compliment her, and you're enamored with her. You guys are perfect for one another, but I know that more than anything, you will always put Sidney first. Sid and Charlie, I cannot wait to watch you grow as a couple and watch where life leads you. Remember to put each other first always. Make time for each other. Always put each other before yourself. Be sacrificial, be gracious, be kind, be loving, but most important advice I've ever heard is from Nana herself. Always fight with your clothes off. Everyone raise a glass to Mr. and Mrs. Larson.